2.5 kilos of beautiful pulled pork, and we promise to show you some interesting ways how to use it.
How to enjoy pork gold.
Exactly. First, let's crack some eggs. Eight beautiful eggs.
Straight from the ass of the chicken.
It doesn't get fresher than that. And we go in with a good pinch of salt and a pinch of freshly cracked black pepper, not too much. And then we give this a good whisk. Nice and combined. We go in with 1 diced green bell pepper, 1 diced tomato, and a handful of freshly chopped cilantro. That will give great flavor here. And we stir that into our mixture. To a cold pan, we add a couple of tablespoons of good olive oil, something like that. And then our egg mixture. And it's important here that first of all the eggs are room temperature and the pan is cold. So you see how the oil goes around the edges, and then we fire this up on low, so we let the eggs slowly come up to temperature. Otherwise you just burn the bottom and you don't get the middle cooked. And then
comes the good part.
We are gonna drizzle over some of our beautiful pulled pork here, a fair amount of it over the top, as you would with, let's say, ham, whatever, but this is gonna be a breakfast.
Well, who says you have to put only ham or bacon anyway? It's all pork.
No, exactly, but this is gonna be a breakfast omelette to die for, trust me. Pulled pork for breakfast, who doesn't love that? I mean, I know I do. And you have seen me do it.
Yes, I know.
We don't want to be stingy here. Because this is, as you said, pork gold. It's gonna be so good. You think it's enough?
Yes.
And we let that slowly cook. This looks just about done. Yeah, that looks good. Then we're ready to taste it. Ready for the big reveal?
Yeah, that's pure gold, baby.
Well, it definitely looks good. So let's see what we made out of this. Well, as you can see here, it has everything. Pulled pork, pepper, egg, tomato. This can only be good. Yet again, I rest my case. I have created Breakfast Omelette 2.0. If you can have pulled pork for breakfast like this, man, it's excellent.